Hello YouTube, welcome back to my little channel. It's been a while since I made a video. Not been on my bike for nearly 2 weeks because I've been off on holiday and the weather's not been great, so yes, I'd just like to have a little chat about UK, England. Might be a bit controversial, this subject. Hopefully I don't get banned on YouTube or Facebook police, as it's getting really bad nowadays. Can't speak your opinion. It's about UK and England. Is it broken? That's the question, isn't it? Every time you turn on the news, always going on about that useless Keir Starmer, how crap he is, and let's face it, he is useless. I think he's been voted the worst Prime Minister ever the UK's had. And why I say this, because let's face it, England, it's not like it used to be, is it, nowadays? We can't express our opinions or hear our voices without getting called far right nowadays. I think most people know what I mean. You just got to be so careful what you say online now. I like to say I'm not really political bothered, to be honest with you. I normally don't get involved with that subject on my YouTube channel. Right. What really nassed me off was like last week we had the march, didn't we, in London, and unfortunately Tommy Robinson organised it, that guy everyone calls him far right. If you look on the telly and the news, apart from the BBC of course, people expressing their thoughts and how crappy this country's getting and going. Can't do anything nowadays without getting called far right. I mean, before anybody comments me, I'm not a racist or anything. In fact, my good lady is a foreigner. She's a lovely Filipina. So nobody can call me a racist for commenting on this. But I've had enough. I really had enough with this political side of things. It's not just the immigrants and the politics, what Keir Starmer's doing. It's just ingenuine, isn't it? This country is just going to pot. It's going downhill, big style. I mean, you get genuine English people really struggling. You know, not in the winter, they don't put the heating on, struggling with food, running a car or a motorbike or whatever you have. Everything is so expensive now, and I think people are really getting fed up with it. So I think we really need to stick up for this country, the English people. Like I said, you just get called far right, which is totally wrong. That, like I say, I'm not a far right, but even I've had enough of this country. It is crap compared to what it used to be years ago. I mean, they keep saying the wages are going up and everything, but that really does not help if you're on minimum wage. Not really. and see what they got to remember. Everything else is going up. Food prices, gas, electric. Oh, it's crazy. It's a crazy country. And you got homeless people sleeping on the street. Most of them have got no fault of their own, just the way things turn out and happen. Then you get the immigrants in 4-5-star hotels. I mean, there's one in Skegness called a County Hotel. That used to be a good hotel, but the migrants have been in there for probably the last 2 years. And if they ever do get rid of them, I will say that hotel will never recover, in my opinion, because now it's got the bad reputation, hasn't it? And that's the County Hotel. Yeah, this country really needs to stick up for ourselves. I don't mean writing or anything like that, just make it heard. I'm kind of pleased it's getting more attention now. People had enough and protesting. As long as they do it peacefully, like majority of them do. But as I say, going back to the BBC, they just call everybody far right. And you know something, I think I'm gonna not pay the TV license anymore, because I've had enough of this BBC. They never report proper news. When they do, it's a load of crap. I mean, to be fair, with the TV license, I don't really watch normal TV anyway. I haven't watched proper TV for over a year. I just watch stuff online, YouTube and stuff like that, and them channels what I kind of like. I spend most of my time watching YouTube and reels, Facebook reels and stuff. Yeah, so really we nearly need to get this country sorted. We should get like France. They don't take no bull crap, do they? And they're not happy, they will express their feelings. Oh, it's so good to get back on the bike though. Good thing about the bike, you get on it and you forget about all your crap in life. Like I say, I'm not really political bothered really. I don't like to talk about it on my little channel, but we definitely need to sort England, UK out. We need to stop the boats coming. Let's face it, the Labour, the government's rubbish. The Conservatives party, that's gone downhill, hasn't it, big style. I know people complain about Boris Johnson, but let's face it, it's not as bad as this knobhead we got now, Keir Starmer. He's absolutely rubbish. He's not bothered about the English people. What he's bothered about is the foreigners. You know what I mean? And yeah, even I've had enough and I'm quite laid back and chilled out. But life's getting harder, paying the bills and stuff like that, it's not easy. Oh, it's so good to be back on my bike though. I keep saying that, don't I? My little beast is okay, she's only a little girl, but I'm still enjoying it. I'm still enjoying it. That's what it's all about. Anyway, I don't really want this video to go on too long and be too politically minded on this subject, but really had enough. Love to hear what people think. Drop me a comment and tell me what you think. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. Speed limits. 30. Boring. But we've got to stick by the law, haven't we? The rules. I'm doing 30 like we should be doing. I can guarantee you this red car behind me will be right up my bum in a minute. Anyway, sorry for my little whinging, but hopefully, fingers crossed, this country will get better. When? I have no idea. Really, we just got to get rid of this Labour Party government. Absolutely rubbish. I think we should get Nigel reforming. Let's face it, can't get any worse than this last two we've had. Last two governments. Fingers crossed. Anyway, on that happy note, I will wish everybody well. As I always say, ride safe, keep smiling. Bye for now.